Do you have a PowerPoint presentation that you want to turn into an engaging training video with a quiz? Here's how to convert your slides into a video using Pictory, and add a quiz using Pictory Central. To get started, log into Pictory and click PPT to video from the dashboard. Upload your PowerPoint file by dragging and dropping it, or browsing your computer. You can also enable the option to use speaker notes for narration, then click Generate Video. Pictory's AI will convert each slide into a scene and create a video storyboard. On the left, you'll see your slides converted into scenes. Your speaker notes now appear as editable script text, which will be used for your video narration. You can clarify phrasing and simplify language before the voiceover is generated. The video editing features available, like visuals, shapes, and decor text. On the right, you can see the preview of each scene, with the text editing and animation toolbar at the top. In the audio tab, you can choose an AI voiceover or upload your own narration. You can even add an AI avatar and customize its outfit and voice to engage viewers even more. If needed, make sure to apply your brand colors, fonts, and logo using the branding tab to keep your video consistent with your brand. Before you finalize the video, you can share the project with subject matter experts for feedback. When everything looks good, download the video. Open Pictory Central and upload your video to add a quiz. Pictory will automatically generate quiz questions and answers for you, but you can edit or add your own questions if there are specific things you want to reinforce from your presentation. This turns your PowerPoint into an engaging learning experience that helps viewers stay engaged and retain information. Pictory makes it easy to turn presentations into professional videos with built-in quizzes for training, education, and onboarding. Try turning your next PowerPoint into a video with a quiz using Pictory.